Hi everyone, it's Leanne from Zyteq. Just thought I'd share with you a really nice grid set that has been created by Jess McRae from Smartbox. And it's in relation to the audio stories that are being released every day via the author David Walliams from his collection of short stories from his books, The World's Worst Children series. So we can go to our add grids and into online grids, and you can do a search for David Walliams. I won't do it for you this morning because it takes a little bit of time to download. And you will see once you do that search that all of the David Walliams stories that have been released so far will appear for you, and you can just go down to add grid set. I've downloaded a couple already, so we're going to have a quick look at Grubby Gertrude. So it's a really nice, clear, simple grid set and layout. It's a really nice way to spend 20 minutes listening to a really funny story with your children. And it gives them a little bit of independence as well. So you'll be able to see once we open Grubby Gertrude, that it's got a very, very simple layout. So volume up, volume down, play, pause button, a back. I will just pause it for a moment. I have gone through and made the extra addition of a rest eye gaze cell. So then our eye gaze users can rest while they just sit and listen to the story. And if you want some further information about how to do that, let us know. But essentially, it's just really, really simple. Click on play.
Grubby Gertrude. Do you know an extremely dirty child? A grimy girl?
And as you can see, he's got a fantastic voice, really, really easy to listen to, very engaging and entertaining. And it might be a really nice way to spend some time while you're in isolation with your children, to sit down and listen to each day's released story from David Walliams and the World's Worst Children series.